and welcome back to our channel Mommies and Tiny Tots. I'm Neha and she's my daughter Gianna. We hope you all are doing great. Today I'm back with another video of Baby's Essential. In today's video we'll discuss about everything you will require when you start feeding your baby solids. And I'll be showing all the products which I have bought from Amazon and I'll share their links in the description box. So let's get started. The first important thing is a high chair. Well, we bought it when Gianna was 6 months old, and initially we used to make her sit in it for about few minutes, actually for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, so that she gets used to it. As she was starting learning how to sit at that age, and when I was buying it, I was very clear that I wanted something very compact, easy to handle, and which takes less of space. So you can buy according to your requirements. If you want a bigger one, you can buy a bigger one. If you want something compact, you can buy a compact one. And what's the reason behind being so important is it gives a designated spot to the baby for eating, and babies can actually associate that space as their feeding space. And when kids starts having their food on their own, water on their own, actually helps them in developing their fine motor skills, and they get independent. So it's very good for kids, and I will highly recommend you to buy one.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. He followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. He followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned him out, turned him out, turned him.
The next important thing your baby will require at the age of 6 months is a sippy cup. Because at this age you will start offering your baby with water, and you want something very comfortable for them to start their drink from. Well, I started with these. This one is from Philips Avent and this is from Tommy Tippy. These both comes with a spout so that the baby can easily drink from them. So these both have a spout, and this one has a very sleek body so the baby can easily hold it and drink from it. And this comes with 2 handles, again very easy to handle. Baby can independently drink from these sippy cups. And the best part about these are they are spill proof. As you can see, this one has water in it, and I'm shaking it this way, but you cannot see a single drop of water. So the best part about them is they are spill proof, and that's the reason they are very good for babies. So I will highly recommend you to buy such sippy cups. The next important thing is a bib. Well, you will require a lot of bibs. Initially I used to use some cloth bibs, but now I don't use them much as they get stained very easily and very hard to wash. Now I use these waterproof ones. As you can see, they are waterproof, so they are easy to wash and easy to dry, and they are very soft at neck, so it's not that harsh on baby's neck. And the best part about these is that they comes with a little pocket to catch any food that falls, so it's really a good thing. You must buy these bibs. Now we'll talk about the bowls. Well, I have 4 of these and one like this, so they are sufficient for 12 months. Well, these are BPA free and easy to clean. The best part is they are in different colors and all have this animal printed on them, different animals. So Gianna loves eating with them. so it's really good. You can have these. And when you start introducing your baby with finger foods, you can use such kind of bowls which comes with a suction base. It actually sticks on the tray when baby is having food, and they can enjoy their food without spilling it all over. The next important thing when your baby starts having solids is a lot of spoons. Well, I'll go one by one. I started with these simple spoons. Actually, these came with the bowls, and the best part is, as you can see, the tip is very small, and initially babies have a very little feeding, very little food, so it's perfect for that time. But I don't use them much. I'm using these ones. As you can see, their tip is a bit broader, and it actually helps them have a bigger bite, so it's good. And I'll talk about these. These spoons are actually very good, and the best feature about them is they are heat sensitive. So when the food is really hot, the color changes to white, the tip turns white. So it's really good. You can have these ones also. And this one also, as you can see, it's not having any joint, so it doesn't allow any bacteria to accumulate. So it's also very good. So you can have such spoons also.
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a moose having some juice? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a whale read a fairy tale? Down by the bay, down by the bay.
Well, these were some of the essentials which you absolutely need, and now we'll discuss the essentials which are good to have. So the first one is a food feeder. Well, this food feeder is from Fisher Price, and the best part about it, it comes with a squeezy bottle, a silicone bottle. Simply fill it with the semi-solid food, whether it's the cereals, whether it's the purees, anything which you feed your baby. Just fill it up, and as it has a spoon on it, you can feed the baby directly. And as you can see, it has a cap also, so it's travel friendly. You can use it while traveling. Just carry your food in this, and you can feed baby directly. You don't have to carry any extra bowl or any extra storage boxes. You are having this and you are good to go. Well, the next and the last in the essential list is a fruit nibbler. As you can see, this comes with a mesh bag, and in this mesh bag you put pieces of fruits and give it to the baby to nibble it. You can give this to the baby when the baby is of 6 months, 7 months, about that age, and they can have flavors of the fruits at that age also, and without choking their selves with bigger pieces of fruits. So it's really helpful, so do try this out. I hope this was helpful, and stay tuned with us for more such upcoming videos. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you found this useful, and please subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any update from my channel. Thank you and take care.